If you're over 50 and often wake up with stiff joints or weak muscles, you're definitely not alone. Millions of people start their day feeling that same discomfort: knees that don't bend as easily, hands that feel tight, or muscles that take a little longer to get moving. It's a common sign of aging, but here's the good news: you can actually fight it naturally. What if I told you that relief might already be waiting for you in your fridge? Yes, something as simple as yogurt can make a big difference in how your body feels and moves every single day. Yogurt isn't just a tasty snack, it's packed with protein, calcium, and healthy bacteria that help reduce inflammation, strengthen bones, and rebuild muscles. Whether it's Greek yogurt, probiotic yogurt, or even plant-based yogurt, adding a small bowl to your daily routine can help ease pain, boost energy, and improve flexibility. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets, just real, nourishing food that supports your body from the inside out. So before you reach for another pill or cream, try reaching for a spoon instead. Your joints and muscles will thank you. Today, we're uncovering the 4 best yogurts to fight arthritis pain and rebuild muscle strength naturally. Before we dive in, let me your age in the comments. I read every single comment. Yogurt number 1, Greek yogurt, the muscle builder. First on our list is Greek yogurt, often called regular yogurt, stronger and healthier cousin, and for good reason. It's thicker, creamier, and packed with nearly twice the protein of traditional yogurt. That extra protein makes a huge difference, especially after the age of 50, when the body naturally begins to lose about 1% of muscle mass each year, a process known as sarcopenia. Protein is the building block of muscles, and including a rich source like Greek yogurt in your daily diet can help rebuild strength, improve mobility, and reduce that tired, weak feeling many experience with age. But Greek yogurt offers more than just protein. It's loaded with calcium, which keeps bones dense and strong, and probiotics, the good bacteria that support gut health and reduce inflammation throughout the body. A healthy gut often leads to better digestion, improved immunity, and even less joint pain, making Greek yogurt a true all-in-one health booster. To get the most out of Greek yogurt, it's important to choose plain, unsweetened varieties. Many flavored yogurts on the market are packed with added sugars, which can increase inflammation and cancel out the health benefits. Plain Greek yogurt gives you a clean base that's rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics, all the good stuff your body truly needs. You can easily make it more flavorful by adding your own healthy toppings such as fresh blueberries, strawberries, bananas, or a drizzle of honey. These natural add-ons not only enhance the taste but also add extra antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which protect your cells from damage and support digestion. It's a simple, wholesome way to turn your yogurt into a nutritious powerhouse that your body will love. Another great reason to include Greek yogurt in your daily diet is its ability to keep you full and satisfied for longer. The high protein content helps balance blood sugar levels and reduces sudden cravings, making it a smart choice for anyone trying to manage their weight. Regularly eating Greek yogurt can also support a healthy metabolism and improve energy levels throughout the day. Whether you enjoy it for breakfast, as a midday snack, or even as a light dinner, it's one of the easiest ways to nourish your muscles, strengthen your bones, and stay active and energized, a perfect companion for anyone aiming to age gracefully and stay strong. Yogurt number 2, probiotic yogurt, the inflammation fighter. Next on the list is probiotic yogurt, often labeled as live culture yogurt. This type of yogurt is truly special because it focuses on one of the most important yet often ignored parts of your health: your gut. You might not realize it, but your gut health affects nearly every system in your body, from your digestion and energy levels to your mood, immunity, and even your joint health. When the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut gets disturbed, inflammation begins to spread silently. And over time, that inflammation can show up as stiff joints, swelling, or constant fatigue. That's where probiotic yogurt comes to the rescue. Probiotic yogurts are filled with live, beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These friendly bacteria work inside your digestive system to restore balance, fight off harmful microbes, and reduce internal inflammation. The result? A calmer, healthier gut and, surprisingly, less joint pain and better mobility. Several studies have shown that seniors who regularly eat probiotic yogurt experience improved digestion, fewer flare-ups of arthritis, and even better nutrient absorption. This means your body gets more out of the food you eat, helping you feel stronger and more energized every day. When choosing your probiotic yogurt, make sure to read the label carefully and look for the words live and active cultures. This ensures that the yogurt truly contains those living bacteria that provide real benefits. And here's a great bonus: probiotic yogurt doesn't just help your joints. It also strengthens your immune system, helping you fight infections faster and recover more quickly when you're unwell. It's a simple, delicious way to support your gut, reduce inflammation, and keep your body running smoothly from the inside out. Yogurt number 3, Skyr, the Icelandic secret. Now let's talk about something many people haven't heard of: Skyr, pronounced Skyr. This traditional Icelandic-style yogurt has been a part of the Icelandic diet for over 1,000 years, and it's one of the reasons people there are known for their strength, stamina, and longevity. Skyr looks and feels similar to Greek yogurt: thick, rich, and creamy, but it actually packs even more protein and less sugar, making it one of the best choices for people over 50 who want to stay strong and energetic. What sets Skyr apart is its remarkable nutritional profile. It's made by straining milk multiple times to remove the whey, which concentrates the protein and gives it that dense, velvety texture. This makes Skyr a muscle-building superstar that can help seniors maintain strength, recover faster from activity, and reduce muscle soreness after everyday movement or light exercise. Skyr is also naturally rich in essential amino acids, the building blocks your body uses to repair muscles, tissues, and even skin cells. As we age, our ability to recover from physical activity slows down, and muscles tend to weaken if they aren't properly nourished. The amino acids in Skyr help counter this by speeding up recovery, supporting lean muscle mass, and improving overall endurance. In addition to protein, Skyr provides a healthy dose of calcium and magnesium, 2 minerals that play a vital role in keeping bones strong and joints flexible. Calcium strengthens the bones, while magnesium helps muscles relax and supports proper nerve function, a combination that's especially important for preventing cramps, stiffness, and age-related bone loss. The best part? Skyr isn't just healthy, it's also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it in so many delicious ways. Add it to your morning smoothie for a creamy, protein-packed start to the day, layer it in fruit parfaits for a tasty snack, or even use it as a base for savory dips and salad dressings instead of mayonnaise or sour cream. Its mild flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory ingredients, making it easy to include in your daily meal. Skyr is often easier to digest than regular dairy yogurt, which makes it a great choice for people who are mildly lactose sensitive. It's gentler on the stomach, and its probiotic content supports better digestion and gut health. Whether you eat it plain, blend it, or mix it into your recipes, Skyr is truly an Icelandic secret worth adding to your diet. It's the perfect combination of strength, nourishment, and comfort, a creamy companion that helps keep your body resilient, your muscles active, and your bones strong well into your later years. Yogurt number 4, plant-based yogurt, the dairy alternative. And finally, for those who are lactose intolerant or simply prefer to avoid dairy, plant-based yogurts are a wonderful alternative. These yogurts are made from almond, coconut, oat, or soy milk, and they've become increasingly popular among people over 50 who want the benefits of yogurt without the discomfort that sometimes comes with dairy. The key difference is that plant-based yogurts are made entirely from non-dairy milk sources but can still offer many of the same nutrients if you choose the right ones. Many commercial plant-based yogurts are now fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics, making them excellent for bone health, muscle function, and digestion. The important part is reading the label carefully to ensure you're picking one that truly supports your health goals. Each type of plant-based yogurt brings its own unique benefits. Soy yogurt, for instance, is rich in protein and contains compounds known as isoflavones, which have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Almond yogurt, on the other hand, is loaded with healthy fats and vitamin E, both of which support joint lubrication and protect your cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in aging. Coconut yogurt is another great option for those who prefer a creamy texture and natural sweetness, offering beneficial fats that provide quick energy and promote gut health. No matter which type you prefer, These dairy-free yogurts can play a big role in keeping your joints flexible, your energy stable, and your digestion smooth. When choosing your plant-based yogurt, avoid added sugars and artificial flavors, which can trigger inflammation and reduce the health benefits. Look for options labeled unsweetened and live and active cultures to make sure you're getting probiotics that support your gut. These tiny superfoods are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce arthritis pain, support heart health, and improve brain function. Mix them in with some fruit or sprinkle them on top for a delicious, nutrient-rich meal. With the right choices, plant-based yogurt can be just as nourishing as traditional dairy. A creamy, gentle, and heart-healthy option that keeps your body strong and pain-free as you age gracefully. Now that you know the 4 best yogurts for fighting arthritis and building strength, let's talk about how to actually make them work for you. The good news is you don't need to eat all 4. Just pick 1 or 2 that fit your taste and lifestyle and make them a part of your daily routine. Greek yogurt, probiotic yogurt, skyr, or even plant-based yogurt, each one offers unique benefits that your body will thank you for. Think of yogurt not just as a snack, but as a daily tool to help your body recover, repair, and feel more alive. When eaten regularly, yogurt becomes a natural medicine for your muscles, bones, and joints. So, what exactly happens inside your body when you enjoy that creamy cup of yogurt every day? The simple but powerful. Probiotics restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut, reducing inflammation and improving digestion. Calcium and vitamin D work together to strengthen your bones, protecting you from stiffness and joint pain. Protein and amino acids help rebuild muscle tissue, giving you better mobility and endurance. Meanwhile, healthy fats and essential minerals support joint lubrication, keeping you flexible and active. In short, yogurt sets off a chain reaction, healing your gut, strengthening your body, and even improving your mood and energy levels. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. With the right nutrition, your body still has the power to heal, rebuild, and stay active. Make yogurt a daily habit, whether it's Greek with fruits, probiotic as a snack, or plant-based in your meals. Just 1 serving a day can boost your strength, flexibility, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with others who could benefit from these tips. And drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.